In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best washing machine available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the washing machine list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the washing machine mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 25L Portable Folding Washing Machine with Dryer Basket. This 25L portable folding washing machine features a big capacity and a convenient dryer basket, perfect for baby clothes, socks, and other small garments. Its ultrasonic technology ensures effective cleaning, while the compact, foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. Ideal for quick and gentle laundry tasks, this mini washer provides an efficient solution for those who need a portable laundry option. Number 4, 13L Ultrasonic Folding Mini Washer. The 13L Ultrasonic Folding Mini Washer is designed for portability and convenience, making it perfect for apartments, travel, and small laundry loads. It comes with a big capacity drain basket and supports both EU and US plugs, ensuring versatility for different regions. This compact washing machine is ideal for washing underwear and other small items, providing a practical and efficient laundry solution on the go. Number 3, Folding Washing Machine Sock Barrel Centrifuge. This folding washing machine features a unique sock barrel centrifuge design, ideal for washing clothes, socks, and underwear. Its compact size and portability make it perfect for small spaces or travel. With its effective dehydration function, it efficiently cleans and dries garments, making it an excellent choice for quick laundry tasks while on the move. Number 2, 25L 50W Folding Washing Machine Portable for Clothes. This 25L folding washing machine offers a powerful 50W motor and an integrated dryer for efficient laundry on the go. It is perfect for travel, tourists, and small households, handling clothes, panties, and socks with ease. The automatic operation and mini size make it highly portable, while the compact design allows it to fit into small spaces effortlessly. Number 1, Portable Foldable Washing Machine with Spin Dryer. The portable foldable washing machine with a spin dryer combines compact design with powerful functionality. It features automatic operation and a centrifuge function, perfect for washing and drying underwear, socks, and small garments. Available in 110V/220V, this 8L washing machine is ideal for those needing a small, efficient solution for their laundry needs at home or while traveling.